Hey there, my Arizona real estate enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you noticed, but I had to do a voiceover because I did not notice all of the noise in the background when I originally recorded this video. But that's okay. I can still get the information out to you. So today I'm going to be going over Waterston North. It is a community that's located in Gilbert. I'm super excited to share with you every detail about the neighborhood, from the builders to the floor plans, amenities, and so much more. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date on the latest in Arizona real estate. So let's get started. Kicking things off, we're talking about the brains behind Waterston North, Tri-Point Homes. These guys are a big deal in the national building scene. They're celebrated for crafting energy-efficient homes and creating communities that don't just look good, but also feel good. Their reputation for quality and customer satisfaction is stellar. So if you're considering a home here, you're looking at top-notch craftsmanship. And just to give you some of the details, I'm going to dive into the floor plan so that way you'll know. Now there's a Aderyn collection. And in this collection, these are two-story homes with open floor plans, creating a seamless flow of energy. There's a total of 104 home sites and options ranging from 1,863 square feet to 2,549 square feet. These homes are perfect for both lively gatherings and quiet reflection. You also have the Kestrel collection. They offer single and two-story options. The homes are the epitome of customization, and the sizes they range from 1836 to 2,774 square feet. They are nestled near the central lake, promising scenic views and tranquil vibes. The Meadowlark series is ideal for larger families. They are single-story homes. They range from 2,584 square feet to 3,173 square feet. They come with a GenSmart Suite options and are perfect for those who love spacious kitchens and large laundry rooms. The Whimbrel collection, think of these more on the line of luxury. These single-story homes range from 2,988 to 3,462 square feet and are designed for multi-generational living. They offer private courtyards and central game rooms. The Starling series, these homes are about flex design. The options in sizes range from 1,880 to 3,267 square feet, They are surrounded by a neighborhood park and are close to the community pool and clubhouse. You also have the Tanager. Those are tailored for bigger families. These homes range between 2,563 square feet to 3,979 square feet. They strike the perfect balance between shared spaces and personal areas. If you have any questions about any of the floor plans, please drop a comment or reach out by using my contact information below. I'm going to give you a little details about the amenities as well. So living in Waterston North, that means you have access to top tier amenities. You have Central Park and Lake Central Park and Lake, can't talk today, is a 7-acre wonderland with walking paths and picnic spots. The Grand Ramada and pool, perfect for chilling out. You have the clubhouse, which includes a kitchenette and games, and it's like the community hotspot where it's located. Plus, with extensive walking and biking trails, the proximity to Veterans Oasis Park and Gilbert Regional Park, your outdoor adventures, they are pretty much endless. You'd also have access to a school within the community, which is the elementary school. It's called Rice Elementary. And you also have options as far as Town Meadows and Highland Park, which are close by. For shopping and dining, you can check out Santan Village Marketplace and downtown Gilbert. Getting around is a breeze too, thanks to the Loop 202 Santan Freeway and State Highway 60. So that's a wrap on our detailed tour of Waterston North and Gilbert. I hope this guide helps you understand what makes this community so special. If you have any questions or need more info, just reach out. My contact details are in the description. Before you go, please like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think would love it. Stay tuned for more amazing content on Arizona real estate. I will see you in the next video.